All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. What I have here, it is a Raptor-X from Jodozorn. This is an EDC fidget toy that has a multifunction that I am going to show you right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want this one, you just check out Fablades.com. Get one because they are running very well. It is a Balisong pry bar bottle box opener. Not really, I mean, Balisong has a mechanism, so nothing illegal going on over here, just a fun one. Actually, the packaging is very cool. Comes with this plastic box, has this, of course, like a sticker right there. There is a card with some information over there, and you have also this pretty cool rubbery pad if you want to stand half open. So this is a very nice one. Inside you're gonna have this pretty cool pouch which is embroidered and looks phenomenal. You can just use for this one or use for something else. As a button right over here, and inside you are going to find your Raptor-X. This is a very cool one indeed. So it has this mechanism right over here. Little magnets are going to attract themselves and keep the tool open. This is how it looks. And it is, of course, like as you can see, like it just opens up and like that you can use it kind of like as you would use a balisong, but it really resembles some bug kind of thing, like a butterfly or like something, I don't know. I don't know the name of the bug in English. I know in Italian it's called coleottero and has these horns and the wings and just the body right over here. So very cool toy. It's a mini hand tool that has, of course, it's a multi-tool. So you have a screwdriver right over here. It can be used as a screwdriver. This can be used as a nail puller. So you just, scoop the nail and boom, and you scoop it out. Or you can even do like this and like that, but probably it's gonna be like that and up this way. This guy can also be used as a pry bar because you can just pry something out, obviously. Right over here you have 3 treat slots and one on the back, so you can just fill these with just your tritium vials with any colors you like and make this guy pretty colorful if you want, because it's gray. And of course you get a bottle opener on this side as well. It's if you want to leave it half open, kind of like this. I don't know if you can see right there. It's gonna, oops, it is going to stand like so. There you go. So it also will look good on the table. You can also do it without the mat, right? And it's gonna just sit like this on your desk, and it's pretty cool to look at. Has a nice weight to it. In fact, I want to tell you in ounces how much this guy is weighing, and I believe you're gonna be surprised. 4.58 ounces. This is not a light one, but you need some sturdy tool in order to be able to pry things out, to just pull nails. So you want that. And it is very smooth, I have to say. This is a stop pin, otherwise this guy would keep going, right? Because these are hollow. So it has to be done like so. Pretty cool closed design as well, very slick lines. It's not gonna break the bank. Has some nice sound added to it. The weight is very cool. I mean, guys, what else can I say? You wanna see the size, the measurement? Sure, why not? Let's do it. So side to side, 30 millimeters. Thickness, 15 millimeters. Length overall, 60 millimeters. So it is a pretty cool compact tool that looks like a bug, and it has a couple functions that you can find them useful all the time. You go camping, you go, just toss this in the pocket, and it's going to be able to act as screwdriver, nail puller, pry bar, box opener, and bottle opener. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.